Hello friends, hello learners. Welcome again in today's session. Today's tutorial we are going to focus on set theory. Set theory for those who are doing maybe business mathematics, quantitative techniques, business statistics. I think you have gotten time to interact with this topic. Good. So today I will just center our discussion on one of the questions in that topic. But if you want the full video, you can rush to the my YouTube channel, search Mr. M. Just search in the YouTube channel Mr.M.Patrick. Mr.M.Patrick, subscribe to it. You'll get the full video in regards to the set theory topic. It's a nice topic, but today I just want us to do the question for the sake of the students who have been asking me to do the question in regards to the same. So if you're not to the channel, just subscribe to it. Just search in the YouTube Mr.M.Patrick and you'll get the full video for the same. Good. We have our question here that we are being told if P and Q given below are the sets of universal sets of natural numbers ranging from 1 to 10. And we have been given P set, the set of P. The elements we have been given 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and Q we have been given. Good. So maybe for those who are new to this topic, maybe they're asking what is this set? Actually, this is a unit that will help you to understand how you can group maybe certain, maybe individuals, maybe groups of people or objects. Because we define set as a combination of elements with the same characteristics. Combination of elements with the same characteristics. Or you can say a combination of objects with the similar characteristics. Let's say for example, for those who are taking, maybe the students taking quantitative techniques. Maybe let's say I have a Jane, I have Isaac, I have Maimuna, I have the three of them, Jane, Maimuna, and Isaac. They are doing what? They are taking quantitative techniques. You realize that they share common characteristics in a way that they are doing the same unit this semester. They are doing the same unit this semester. So they share those characteristics. Good. Even in a class of, you can take it even in any area you are doing it, but people, the moment they are sharing the same characteristics, you can group them together and say that this, my employees, this who are doing this particular job, you group them in this particular area, you group them in this particular area. So this is the early essence of this topic. It will help you and regards to that. So let's just go to the question. So we have been told, we have been given a question and we have been told to find one. We are being asked to find, you have to find what? You have to find complement of Q. The complement of Q. You have to find one. You have to find complement of Q. Complement of Q. You have been asked to find complement of Q. Good. The reason why I'm encouraging you to go to the YouTube channel and make a subscription so you can be able to go through the topic for you to understand these terms here: complement, universal, and name them. Good. So in case you have been asked complement, to find complement, we normally denote it. You can denote if you have been asked to find complement of Q, you will denote complement as either this. Put Q with the small out there, or you can denote it Q with C. That is shows a complement. And we always define complement as a complement as the set of all elements in the universal set that are not in a given set. That are not in a given set. That are not in a given set. So the given set here, we have a given set here is Q, which you have been given. And remember in the question we have been told the universal sets of natural numbers. Good. So the first thing, already we have the given set. So I will now have to put down the universal set. And the universal set, you can denote it this way. So the universal set, you can write now down the universal set down natural numbers ranging, you have been told the universal sets of natural numbers ranging 1 to 10. Ranging 1 to 10. Ranging 1 to 10. So I'll go ahead and write my universal set. So my universal set will be 1 to 10. So you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is our universal set. This is our universal set. And already we had been given a complement. Our Q, the Q we have been given is what? The set that we have been given is 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I've defined for you a complement. A complement, we have been told to find complement of Q. And I've defined for you very well that complement is just the elements that are in the universal set but are not in the given set. Those elements that are here but that are in the universal set but are not here. Good? Let me repeat. Elements that are in the universal set but are not in Q. Given set, which the given set you have been given is Q. So I will come and write my Q, complement of Q is equals to those elements that are not here, are there, that are here, those elements that we know very well that are not here and they are here. So you name them. Already I can see I don't have 1 here, I don't have 2, I don't have 3, I don't have 4, I don't have 5, I don't have 6, yeah, 7, 8, 9, 10 I have. Good. So you can see your answer is very clear now because you have said the set of all elements that are in the universal set, elements in the universal set that are not in a given set. Elements that are here but are not here. Elements that are in the universal set but are not here. Good. So that is what we call a complement. So that is very easy, and you score your marks there. Is always 2 marks for this case. It's always 2 marks here. 2 marks. Just very easy, and you get your marks and you go home smiling. Good. Let us find also, let us find another thing there. We have been told P intersection Q complement. P intersection Q complement. Already Q complement we have. So part B, 2, we are being told to find P intersection P intersection Q complement. Good. And we know very well intersection is always denoted by intersection in regards to this topic is denoted by, intersection is always denoted by that way, the opposite of that universal set, just a sign going downwards, this one, N, like N. Good. So that one will show it is intersection. And you have now to know the definition of intersection. Intersection of sets, we normally say that these are the set of elements that have common 2 or more set. The set of elements that are common to 2 is either these elements that are, they are either, you'll find these elements, they are in P and also they are in Q. They share the elements. Good. Already we have Q complement. Q complement, we have gotten it here. So I will come and write here my Q complement is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, and then P, already we have P. So P we have as 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But the question wants us to find what? To find P intersection Q complement. P intersection Q complement. P intersection Q complement. So what will I do? I've said very well, intersection means those elements that are in P and are also in Q. The question can even ask you, find intersection PQ. Intersection PQ. Intersection PQ, you find those elements that are in P and are in Q. That's what it means. So here we go. Now, those elements that are here and here, you can see 2 here is here. So I will have 2 there. Here I have 3. I have 4. I have 5. Then I have 6. So that is my answer. So this becomes our answer. Good. Our answer. Our answer. Very good. So P intersection Q complement is given that way. Very easy. Very easy. Good. And you score your 3 marks. That is always, in case anything to do with the complement, we will always give you 3 marks. 3 marks. Good. We proceed. We have been told to find P complement union. P complement, let me write down. P complement union, P complement union Q. So meaning here we have to find P complement. And to find P complement, I told you, remember I told you in the first session that you will always be referring to universal set that you have been given in the question. So P, already we have P. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And remember our universal set, we have we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So this is our universal set and this is our P. So we have to find P complement. And remember I said P complement, you can either denote it this way or it can be P, you can see there. So P complement, we said those elements that are here but are not here. You see? Those elements that are the set, it refers to the elements that are in the universal set but are not in the given set. Elements that are here but are not here. So we go. P complement 1, it is here but it's not here. 1 I can see it's not here. 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5, 6. So meaning 7 is also not here. 8, 9, 10. So meaning that is what our P complement. Our P complement. But the question continues. The question continues. We just find P complement, but we want to find P complement union Q. P complement union Q, it means it will be P complement. Union is just opposite, already I had shown here. Union Q. Union Q. That way. That one will be showing that you are finding what? P complement union Q. Union Q. And we said union is that that element that is common to both. So which element is common to both here? Which element is common? P, we have it, and Q. 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 So you'll have to write down Q. You will have to write down Q here. Q, we had been given elements of Q as 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. So we want to find the union, it means, so we want to find P complement union Q. So elements that are common here and here. So we find it will be what? I can see 7, it's here. I can see 8 is here. I can also see 9 is here. And 10. So those are the ones that are what? That are common to both. It's common both to P complement and Q. So that is how the universal, the union, you put them to union. You find them either in this P complement and in the union set. Good. So that is that one. You'll always get there your 4 marks. Your 4 marks. So at the end of the day, you'll have scored at least 10 marks in this question. Yes, 10 marks in this question, because the first one you are supposed to get 3 marks, This one 3 marks and then 4 marks. So that is good. As I always finish, I will tell you, if you want to get full knowledge of set theory unit, I've already uploaded it in our channel, the YouTube, run there, find time, listen to it, you'll get to understand this, the terms there, like complement, universal, you know, they're like empty set, intersection set, finite set, name them. You are going to meet them there, disjoint set. So if you find time, go and search Mr.M.Patrick, listen to this topic very well, it will rescue somewhere. As I always finish, I always say, birds, we always see them flying. Not that they just fly, they were meant to fly. They were meant to enjoy flying. Fish, you can see that it's just dominating the ocean. It was meant to dominate the ocean, the waters of the ocean. Flowers, they just bloom. They never ask anyone permission to bloom. We were all created with purpose. You don't have to ask permission for someone to thrive in this world. Go out and change the world. And you can only change the world if we join together in this channel, move together, and let us change the world as we move together. For today, I wish you all the best, and may God bless you.